It is time to talk about clause number 3, terms and definitions. Clause number 3 is dedicated to terms and definitions, and this section ensures that all terms used in the standard are understood consistently, reducing ambiguity and promoting a common understanding of key concepts in business continuity management. Instead of listing all the definitions and terms in clause number 3, ISO 22301 refers to ISO 22300, which provides a comprehensive glossary of terms related to business continuity, resilience, and related disciplines. But I will discuss some of the important terms typically defined in ISO 22300, which are also applicable to ISO 22301. And these terms and definitions include business continuity. It is the capability of an organization to continue the delivery of products or services at acceptable predefined levels following a disruptive incident. So it is all about guiding businesses how to bounce back after disruptive incidents, how to stay strong and to stay performing the delivery of products or services during disruptive incidents. The next term is business continuity management system. It is a part of the overall management system that establishes, implements, operates, monitors, reviews, maintains, and improves business continuity. So it is the business continuity management system itself. The next term is business impact analysis. It is the process of analyzing the impacts of disruptive incidents on the organization. So you just need to analyze and you need to work out the impacts, the consequences of any disruption or disruptive incident on my company, on my operations, on my products and services. That kind of analysis is called business impact analysis. The next term is disruption. It is an event, whether anticipated or unanticipated, that causes deviation from the expected delivery of products and services. The next term is incident. It is an event that might be or could lead to a disruption, loss, emergency, or crisis. The next term is recovery time objective. It is the period of time within which activities, products, or services must be resumed following a disruption. So here, folks, let's assume that we have witnessed a very bad disruptive incident. How long time do I need to get back all operations and get back all products and services delivered to my customers to bounce back from that nightmare or that disruption? This is called recovery time objective. The next term is risk, and it is the effect of uncertainty on objectives, on my objectives or on my goals. The effect of uncertainty on my goals, which might cause a lot of deviation to my products, services, goals, and objectives. The next term or definition is interested parties, and it is individuals or organizations that can be affected by, or perceive themselves to be affected by decisions or activities of the organization. Have you started seeing the importance of that clause already, folks? That it wants to make sure that you all understand the topic or understand the basic and important terms and definitions before you just jump right in and start applying that standard. So clause number 3 ensures that all organizations implementing ISO 22301 use consistent language and definitions. And this standardization is crucial for effective communication, compliance, audits, and alignment across industries.